diddle diddle, the cat had a fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon, and a little dog laughed to see such a spot, and a dish ran with a spoon.
Hello and welcome to MCS Studio. Today we have Mustafa with us. What is your name?
Mustafa.
Mustafa. Do you know that we have a lot of animals around us?
Yes.
Some animals are wild animals, some are pet animals. Do you have any pet animal?
Yes, cat.
You have a cat. What's the name of your cat?
Tom.
Tom. Do you have any other animal at home?
No.
Do you know chicken? Do you know chicken or hen?
Yes.
What does a hen do?
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Cluck, cluck, cluck. That's right. What does a horse do? What does a sheep do?
Bah.
What does a dog do?
Whoop, whoop.
Good job. Okay, can you tell me good morning, Mrs. Hen?
Good morning, Mrs. Hen. How many chook, how many chicks you have got? Madam, I have got 10. 4 of them are yellow, 4 of them are brown. 2 of them are speckled red and nicest in the town.
Good job. Do you know some of the animals, some of the wild animals?
Yes.
Tell me.
Lion, giraffe, and pet animal is cat. And
Do you know there is one animal that's called zebra?
yes,
Zebra. It has some special stripes on its body. What is the color of stripes?
black and white.
Black and white. When we cross the road, do you know when we cross the road, we cross at a special place. It is called?
Zebra crossing.
Very good. At zebra crossing, there are lights, traffic lights. So when we cross the road, first we should look at traffic lights. What colors a traffic light has?
Green, yellow, and red.
Red. Very good job. Do you know what does the red color mean?
Red color means stop.
Good. And what does a yellow color or orange color means?
Orange color, wait,
And what does a green color mean?
go.
Hey diddle diddle.
Hey diddle diddle, the cat had a fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon, and a little dog laughed to see such a spot, and a dish ran with a spoon.
We all have friends, right?
Yes,
Do you have any friend?
yes.
Who's your best friend?
My best friend is Abu Saleh
Abu Saleh. Why do you like Abu Saleh?
because he's playing with me. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it, happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
Stomp your feet.
If you are happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it, happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
Stomp your feet.
If you are happy and you know it, turn around.
Turn around.
If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it, happy and you know it, turn around.
Turn around.
If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray,
Hooray.
hooray. If you're happy and you shout hooray.
Hooray.
If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray.
Do you know your body has certain organs? Can you tell me your body parts?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, elbow and fingers
and foot and stomach and waist and knee, and there's so many body parts. Yes. Can you tell me body parts in Arabic?
رأس شعر عين أذن أنف فم لسان إصبع يد رجل قدم هذه أعضاء الجسم.
What do we use to walk or to run?
Legs,
Legs. What do we use to ride?
hands,
Hands. Can you tell me which body organ we use to see?
eyes.
Okay, what do we do with our ears?
Listen,
We listen with our ears. What do we do with our nose?
we can smell.
We smell. And what do we do with our teeth?
We can chew.
We chew food. Okay, you know that we should keep our body clean, right?
Yes.
What should we do in order to keep our body clean?
When we're coming from school, wash your hands. After touching pet, wash your hands. After coming from play, wash your hands. We can brush our teeth and bath.
Take a bath. What about nails? Should we keep our nails long or short?
Short.
Short. What about clothes? Should we wear clean clothes or dirty clothes?
Clean.
Clean clothes. What are the good habits that you know of?
First, we have to say salam. Then, we have to greet elders. After playing, put your toys away and putting waste in dustbin. And after playing, put toys away.
Who are we?